Thank you so much for joining us into today's live stream. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for over 3 years now, and when I do my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action. And I give you guys trading ideas and also trading opportunities in hopes that you'll be able to help speed up your how to say learning phase in trading, in the sense that you guys will be able to finally understand who's in control, who which side of the market we should be focusing on, either buys or sells, and most importantly, why should we focus on buys, why should we focus on sells, and so on. If that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax, let's get right into today's session. So I want to kick it off right away because 8:30 today we have CPI news for USD, and I only know that because a couple of trading friends of mine, trading buddies, if you will, they came to send a beautiful hamper for Deepavali, so which I truly appreciate. Thank you guys so much if you guys are watching. And they only highlighted to me today night is CPI. You see, not I'm a trader, so I don't even keep track about the news one. See how terrible, huh? Yeah. Nevertheless, traders, let's get right into today's session. That's why I write there already. Beware of news at 8:30. And this is a trading opportunity that personally I am invested in. Euro CAD. I'm not sure how it will reach the target or not. Okay, this is already 1 to 1. I already set BE, and I want to see how the trade will actually play out. I may take out the trade. Okay, it will depends on what I'm seeing before 8:30, because like news can be very unpredictable. Uh, and then I'm okay with it because my purpose of it is just for learning, and then also even you set BE already, is like you're out of the race already lah. Anyhow, and today is Friday, so I don't really mind. Right, teacher, 8:30 CPI news. Yes, you are correct. 8:30 CPI news, and I would like to see what it will affect EuroCAD, because overall everything is still looking for a very good bullish opportunity. I do believe that price action has a strong influence over the actual outcome of news. Okay, it's not all the time, I would say, but definitely uh, based on my back testing, I realized that what price action show, that is generally the movement. But even though overall is showing buys, right, news can change that, because news is the catalyst. They have a lot of power, so definitely this can happen. Traders, this can definitely happen. That is why we always must learn to set break even. Okay, always, okay, break even is always a must, and then we must never get too attached to the number on the screen. That is the most difficult thing for me personally in trading, is that I get too attached to that number. Oh, how much profit? Oh, okay, 500. Okay, 800. Okay, 1,200. That number is the thing that will take you off track. So what I mean by take you off track is make you lose focus on the things that truly matter. So the thing that truly matter is what? Your capital. The thing that truly matters is what? Your risk management plan. The thing that truly matters is what? Your trading strategy. So that number can really mess up your psychology if you focus on it too much. Definitely, you have to focus on it to some extent. I'm not saying you should not focus at all. That is just dumb advice if I were to give that. Because for you to execute your risk management, for you to execute certain types of trades, which one is worth it or not, you have to focus on the number as well. The number will tell you how much percent you're actually going to risk and how much you're going to gain back. Definitely. But what I mean is, don't attach yourself to that. Okay, if you have a plan, stick to that plan. Okay, if it goes to SL, it's a learning phase. If it goes to break even, it's a learning phase. If it goes to TP, wonderful, it's still a learning phase. Everything we do in trading, it is a learning phase. So this just how to say, uh, I won't say quote of the day. That sounds so funny. Advice of the day, if you will. Okay, traders. Okay, I'm talking too much already. Come on. I'm focusing on buys for EuroCAD. Okay, the reason being is because I saw bulls interested inside of the market, and this was a very good bullish opportunity. I analyzed this earlier, and I entered off around this level here based on smaller time frame. I know I will usually wait, okay, for price to come to this level, but I saw the entry opportunity and I just went for it. So far, it's doing very well. I want to show you a trading opportunity. There is one. This is the one. Euro AUD. I'm also focusing on buys, but I didn't enter this. I don't think I would enter this. The reason being is because we are already on Friday. You guys know I don't like entering trades on a Friday. But definitely, this is an opportunity for us to learn. Okay, I want to see how price will come inside the zone which it is right now and react if we are going to see respect or not. If price is starting to respect this zone and we start to see bulls, the probability of price to go up, I do not think all of these targets can be taken out. Okay, I don't think all of these can be taken out today because today is Friday. Nevertheless, overall, I'm focusing on a buying opportunity for Euro AUD. It will depend also how the news outcome is like, because even though this is not related to USD, this is Euro AUD. Because USD is like the primary driver for most of the the exchanges in the market, so it will affect somewhat for sure, but we're not sure which way lah. That's the only thing. Okay, so let's find out. That's why I want to see if the tip will happen. Let me go back to gold for a while. Okay, so gold, I want to highlight to you guys. Yesterday, I was focusing on a potential buying opportunity inside of this zone. But today, when I checked again, I see bears are currently in control. This is not permanent because, not, of course, nothing is permanent. What I mean by that is this one is not something that we can consider like, oh, bears are right now in control, let's go for sell, because news is going to happen, and this is XAU versus USD, and the news is related to USD, so this will definitely change very soon. But I'm not sure if bears are able to hold on or not. But as of now, I'm not focusing on any buying opportunities. Right now, I'm focusing on this zone. Okay, traders. So it will depends right now on how the news come out, of course, and how will price respect this level for potential move towards the downside. If the news comes out bad for USD, what will happen? Definitely this zone will be demolished. Okay, because CPI is quite strong, but also CPI is like the movements are very aggressive, so that's why I don't like the trade related to news. Even the trade that I entered, right, is really before news, and then it's not even related to USD. So I just want to see with you guys currently bears are in control. Let's see this zone will hold or not. Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY, just to highlight to you guys, it went all the way, take out all of our targets. There wasn't an additional zone for me to focus on buying opportunities. Okay, to be honest, based on this zone level here, my entry point, okay, based on what I can see lah, okay, is not around this level. I won't lie and tell, oh, I would have entered here. Definitely no. My entry zone, right, traders, would be here. Okay, this would have been my entry zone. This would have been my stops. This would have been my take profits. At least 1 to 2, because the level I enter is quite far already. Yeah. Even though it went much higher than that, but we never would have known. This is what I would have done. Okay. I could have also put my stops below this level here. Okay, this would have been okay also, but this would have been a much more safer level. Okay, so this one is a trade opportunity that I not to say missed out. I was very focused on the zone. We did come very close to it before taking all of the targets that we were anticipating for this week. Nevertheless, still happy with that we were able to analyze that. Okay, so this one, traders, this is another one. So this is another opportunity, but of course, I do not think we'll be able to get that today because today's Friday. Maybe this is a pre-market setup for next week. So NZD essentially right now I'm focusing on a buying opportunity, but that can change because news is about to happen. Okay, news is about to come out. So definitely something that we have to be aware of, that who is in control definitely can change. As of now, bulls are in control and we are about to create a zone, but the zone can only be verified after this hourly candle is closed, because that's the time frame that I'm referring to right now. AUDJPY, okay, just to highlight, both of our targets already been taken out for this week. So if you guys analyze this, congratulations. Okay, so Euro USD, unfortunately, I wanted to get an entry. Really, I wanted to, but I didn't find an entry model for Euro USD. There was a bearish opportunity during Monday and Tuesday, but I was Deepavali, so I didn't trade. I didn't look at the markets. I did trade on the Deepavali days on Tuesday, right? I think it's no Deepavali is on not Tuesday, Monday. I think I traded on, yeah, Deepavali day. I traded on Deepavali day. That was for gold. That one went up to 1,000 pips, but then I was too busy with cooking and stuff, helping out in the kitchen. I love to do that, by the way, for Deepali. I set break even. So it went very close to the TP, but then it turned. I already spoke to you guys about it yesterday, I think. Yesterday or Wednesday live stream, I already shared with you guys. So I was hoping for entry for Euro because it looks beautiful. I like that there were no sideways momentums. This is considered somewhat of a sideways momentum build up. Okay, but I wouldn't really consider it as a sideways momentum yet. So I was hoping for a bearish opportunity. Tuesday was the beautiful one, but it's okay lah. That means if this week no means next week we can find one. All right, traders. This one is another bearish opportunity, AUD/USD. As of now, I'm seeing bears that are in control. So I am focusing for this target here, but price is quite far from the zone. So I'm not sure that I'll be able to get this entry or not. Anyhow, like I said, I already invested in Euros AD. So I might not be interested to enter this at all, to be honest. All right, because Friday I just focus on crypto. AUD/CAD. Okay. Overall, I'm still bearish, but I'm waiting for alignments because bulls are currently still controlling the market. We might see bulls change or shift the market where we can now focus on buys. But as of now, this week so far, I see bears. I'm not seeing bulls. Euro AUD. Okay, this is the one we already spoke about. Great bear bullish opportunity. This is our trade that we invested in so far, doing very well. That can change. During news, you can go in the opposite direction. Anything could happen. We are quite close to the TP point, lah. Quite close. USD/CAD. All right. So USD/CAD. Same. I'm overall bearish. Basically, I'm just waiting for alignment. Oh yeah, I wanted to highlight to you guys about the equal lows. Price went to take it out here. This was the week. Okay, the price came to take out this equal lows that we highlighted yesterday, which was not taken out yet. Okay, price was floating within this level, and then we start to move all the way towards the upside. I know usually there is concept whereby liquidity swap means that means we're going to move up, or liquidity swap means we're going to move down. It is only partially uh how to say, one partial point of uh, how do I say that? That's not a correct statement to say. It is yes and also no, because it's, how to say, suddenly I'm lost of words. It's like the puzzle is not complete to just say that, oh, liquidity sweep, that means you're moving up. Oh, liquidity sweep, that means you're moving down. It is correct. But there is not a lot, a few more things that you need to add to that puzzle to understand and make that bias actually come to life. Okay, liquidity sweep here. Okay, fine. But it does not mean we're going to move up. It does not mean it straight away change who is in control. Is maybe it is one aspect of it. Definitely, I also refer to liquidity sweeps. Yes, definitely, it's very important aspect of my trading part, my trading journey. I changed a lot, but it's only one aspect. There's a lot more things that we need. Not a lot. I don't want to scare you guys. A few more things that we need to add, of course, just to understand in the sense that, okay, fine, this happened right now. That's A. Okay, how about B, C, D, E? Are they also playing out in that manner for us to identify if really bulls or bears are in control? Okay, I'm sorry if it's a bit confusing what I said. I apologize. I just feel like, what am I saying? A little bit confused. Okay, I do apologize, traders, but that's how it is. If you understand trading, eventually you guys will know that concept that liquidity sweep is just one part of it. Same auto block, one part of it. Support resistance, one part of it. Strength and liquidity, one part of it. There are a few more criteria that need to match in order for you to understand if it's a good idea to enter for buy or sell. For me, I follow who is in control. How I identify that is based on my own trading strategy. I understand based on who's in control, using multiple time frame analysis, and also based on how the market is moving on price action. That is me. Okay. I want to highlight to you guys about DEX 30. Before 8:30, I want to see what's going to happen. Either we break even or what. It'd be fun to watch with you guys. I don't mind lah. Break even or it's okay. I'm okay with it. Okay. So you see, this one, yesterday we were focusing on a bearish opportunity. I changed this already now, bullish for now, before the live stream, because I will analyze always one more time just to make sure I understand overall the market before I advise you guys, because I really want you guys to learn. Okay. This is a bullish opportunity for now. Okay, essentially we were bears, but why I didn't enter this opportunity is because based on smaller time frame, you can see price didn't give us any reaction towards the downside. We continuously move up until where? until we poke this level. Okay, the moment we poke this level, which is our zone, that means price is not respecting this level, hence we should not be focusing on sell. So I didn't remove any of this because I want to make sure I show you guys the trades that we spoke about yesterday, because I really want you guys to learn based on what I'm saying. I promise it will help out your trading journey if you guys take notes and focus on the things that I'm telling you guys based on price action. Okay, so where are we? Okay, 8:30. Let's see gold first lah. How's that? How's that? Because many of you guys I know like to trade gold. Let's see how gold will move. One more minute. Traders. One more minute. Okay, let me go M5. Let's see. Gold recently, currently I'm currently focusing on bears, but for me, it will depend if it comes inside the zone lah for me. Okay, but I'm focusing on bears. Let's see, yeah. Okay, one more minute. One more minute. We should have dramatic music, for this. Okay, tadi. Market is moving up. Market is moving up. Let's go see our trade here. Where is our trade? Yeah, this is our trade. Almost. Oh my god. Look at how close it is. Traders, again, I'm not gonna lie. This is I won't tell you I knew this was gonna happen. All definitely no. Okay, that is just like essentially what I'm saying is then I'm just gambling. Okay, I don't know. I don't know these things are. This is just what I'm predicting on it based on who is in control. I don't know this move all will happen. Okay, I don't want you guys to think it in a different way. Okay, very close. Okay, so gold also moving up lah. Not as actually consider can consider intensive also lah. Can consider quite a strong movement, I would say. Okay, good. Quite happy. Okay, I closed off my trade already from my phone because it's just very little left. Okay, so I don't mind that. I just closed off already. Okay, where we? Oh, no wonder lah. Why I feel so confused. Okay, you see this one, traders? We're focusing on buys, right? Can you see this? When the market open, this zone has been pierced. That means what? It doesn't mean we cannot focus on buys. Okay, the who's in control never changed yet, but this zone has been invalidated. So now what we have to do, we remove this zone. That means this zone is not the zone that we should be focusing on for potential buying opportunity. We need to wait for a new one. Okay, it does not mean, if any of you guys have any confusion, if a zone get pierced, it means we shouldn't focus on buys. No, that's not the concept. If a zone get pierced, it means that zone is invalidated. Who is in control? Okay, it won't necessarily change during that day. It will change the next day. This is solely if you guys are focusing on intraday trading. All right. If you're focusing more on swing trading, means usually it won't change lah within the day. It will take. I mean, depend on the time frame. If let's say you refer to daily chart, okay, daily chart. Once you understand bulls are in control, it will take quite a few days to change that concept. If you think bears are in control, it will same thing. Okay, if you take a weekly chart, definitely once bulls means it will last quite some time. But you also have to be able to hold and understand the swap fees that involves in holding, which is something that I really don't like. I don't enjoy swap fees. That's why I don't trade. I don't hold trades over the weekend. Other than that, 4 hours means it will change every day. 4 hours for me personally is like intraday already. Okay, traders, where is our trade? Okay, this one is what? EuroCAD. close for EuroCAD. Did I delete my EuroCAD suddenly? No, there we go. Okay. Because you see, I think you guys can see my screen, isn't it? You guys can see, you see all of this got A, E, A, N, N. You see the EuroCAD alone? It don't have any letter. That's why I got confused really. I was like, where is my EuroCAD? Okay, I closed off here, traders. Okay, very very close by. For me it's fine, because if you can see, my entry was not here. Okay, my entry was roughly here. All right, so this is more than a 1 to 2 already. I recollect more than 1 to 2, so I'm very happy with that. And I don't like holding trades over the weekend, so definitely very happy with this trading opportunity. Again, I need to highlight, I need to stress out, I did not know that there was a powerful candle like this will happen. To be honest, I never even noticed about the news. All of this is just based on price action, why I focus on buys. Okay, so we're done for forex side. Let's go to crypto. Okay, I need to highlight, see this one how. Okay, so now bullish opportunity, that this is big candle, nothing much, no zones, nothing to focus on now. Okay, so ETH. All right. So overall, I'm still bearish. I'm just waiting for alignment for ETH. The person in control never changed yet, traders. Okay, it might change over the weekend, but as of now, I'm still bearish. So I personally won't be entering any trades for crypto today. Over the weekend, it may change. Same thing. Dogecoin is overall still bearish. I am waiting for alignment because right now I see bulls, and I don't like how the time frames are aligning with it's going against each other. I don't like that. This one I'm still pending control. Okay, for Solana. Solana, I don't really understand yet who's in control because buyers and sellers are currently fighting with each other. Hence, you can see why from New York session. Okay, we're not really moving anywhere. We are just circling around this level. Okay, we're not really going anywhere. We just see only very slow. If you realize, you see, Asia, London, New York, move down. Asia, London, New York, at least one big move up. This one is here. Asia and London. We're just here. Because why? Bears and bulls are currently in control in different certain time frames. So I don't like that. That's why I said pending control. I'm not going to do anything for Solana. BTC, same thing. Overall, still bearish. I'm waiting for alignment. This is the very big bearish zone. Okay, just something for you guys to understand. A very very huge bearish zone. This zone can definitely get poked over the weekend, so it will depends how the zone may hold. And then I would definitely want to find a smaller zone. There's no way in the world I would like to enter and put my SL like this is crazy. Even if I can get 1 to 1, even that, so big in my opinion, only my opinion. Okay, there are traders can do this very very well. Okay, much better than me for sure, but based on the way how I trade, this is too big of a zone. I will have to wait and understand who will actually align itself and choose to be in power, bears or bulls. Okay, so this will depend. So nothing for crypto side traders. The only opportunity that I see for today, okay, not this one I'll take already. Euro USD almost bearish, it went up. Okay, so this one is the same thing. You see, great bearish opportunity. Okay, during the news, you see, this zone get what? Demolished. Okay, what does that mean? It means still bears are currently present. This is just because of news. We're seeing a very powerful move up. Okay, we need to wait until this candle close. When does it close? 1 hour means when? Now it's 8:30, right? 9 o'clock. After the candle close, then we can potentially see who is in control. 9 p.m. candle, we can see who is currently in control. So that may change. If that guy change, anyhow, so I won't enter now because Friday. I wouldn't recommend you guys to enter also during a Friday. I would recommend just to wait over the weekend. Okay, enjoy. Today is a Friday, and then see any trading opportunities over the weekend for crypto space. Okay, so this one is another one. This was the great bullish opportunity that got poked. Essentially, we are just waiting for a new zone to show itself to us. As of now, I'm not seeing any zone. Wait, okay, I'm seeing one. There is one. I wouldn't say it's a very old zone because this zone has been here during this week. Okay, we can see. Okay, this is a zone here. Hold on. Bullish opportunity. We can also see price respecting this level. So probably this is the zone that will stop price from moving lower. Sorry, I pressed too many times, I think. And then maybe shooting to the sky next week, not this week, definitely not this week, because right now we're still moving down, and we want that to happen because we like price to come inside the zone and trade little prior to making a move towards the upside. So Euro AUD is a pair that I will be focusing on primarily when next week market open. Okay, so gold nothing much, gold just there for now. Our trade, okay, lucky I closed off already lah. I will consider this as a very good one lah. Look at how close it is. Crazy, man. Based on this drawing thing, right, means it already hit tipping. I'm gonna hit that one and then after I go down. Of course lah, the essential one I put is on the target. Okay, but it not necessarily means it won't go up. After this candle close, maybe we will see more candles moving up because we are seeing very strong bullish momentum move towards the upside. Again, all of this captured live for you guys to learn and see, not necessarily for you guys to enter anything. I'm not telling you guys to enter anything. I just really want you guys to learn as much as possible. Okay, traders, I think that's it. To be honest, nothing much to share. I just wanted to highlight to you guys the trade that I was currently invested in. I also wanted to highlight you guys trading opportunities that I saw was available, but the zone has been pierced, most of them. So obviously we'll be using the pending ones, which is a good one is this one, Euro AUD, for potential buying opportunity for next week. This is also a very good one, a bullish opportunity. The zone hopefully by today market, when it close off, we can see a zone created by NZD for us to potentially focus on bulls when next week market open. So this NZD and Euro AUD is a market that I will be focusing on for next week. The others, all guys, it went to the TP. Some trade didn't really play out. Like for example, this one. Okay, this trade we did highlighted for bullish momentum, but it went below the zone. This one you can watch yesterday live stream. The zone was actually here. It pierced the zone, and then we make a move towards the upside. So still a win, definitely a winning trading opportunity, but no entry for me based on the way how I trade. Okay, Euro USD nothing. AUD USD bearish so far, still bearish opportunity. Definitely still bearish opportunity. At 9 o'clock only I will understand. Later I will recheck again. Maybe that might change, but I won't enter anything lah. Because Friday I don't like to enter for forex side. Yeah, nothing else traders. The rest all such an amazing week lah. Even though we just started trading on Wednesday, I'm very thankful to capture this trading opportunity with you guys and also analyze it with you guys. That's the best part lah for me. The more I do this type of stuff, I am also somewhat getting better as a trader myself. The reason being is because I keep on analyzing and keep on talking about it. So really big thanks to you guys lah. I really can't thank you guys enough. Just now I do sell. I said hello, pro trader. Is FTMO trader in my live stream, guys. I'm so privileged. Just now I do sell. I set SF40, then news boom, slippage. Oh, for gold gold. Yeah, gold went up. Gold went up. Actually, overall, even my bias is still sell one. It's still sell. So actually means your understanding is not wrong at all. Definitely, news we can never really know. I also am predicting for this target to be taken out. So I'm now just waiting to see if this zone price when come inside, right? We will trade inside a bit or not prior to showing an interest move towards the downside. This is what I'm anticipating right now. But of course lah, today Friday already, most probably next week. No, Euro USD. Oh, Euro USD. No, I keep thinking about gold. Euro USD also same. I was thinking for sale also. I highlighted also here that I was the whole time from Wednesday. From Wednesday when I do live stream, I was focusing on sell. I waiting for that zone, but no opportunity. It was moving somewhat of a sideways momentum as of Tuesday from here. A bit lah, not really consider sideways lah. Just a build up of a sideways momentum since Tuesday. Thursday. Tuesday is the selling opportunity, a very beautiful one lah. Very very nice selling opportunity, but Deepali we cannot see. Don't worry, I'm with you. I also was focusing on best. Yeah, trading. That is trading. A plus 1 plus 1 equals 2. In trading, 1 plus 1 can equal 10, can equal 7. can equal 3, can equal 5. Yeah, so many answer one. But in reality, 1 plus 1 is equals 2 only. Trading is different. Yeah, so no worries, no worries. You already pro trader already. FT bro, not many people can pass one. Thank you everyone, every single one of you for joining my last year. I appreciate every single one of you. So I think I will end it here, traders. I wish you all such an amazing and a beautiful, wonderful weekend ahead. Now it's going up. Now it's going up. Go, 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 go. Okay, sorry, I'm getting sidetracked already. I was too excited. Have an amazing and wonderful, beautiful weekend ahead. Every single one of you deserves it. Okay, I will catch every single one of you beautiful people in the very next live stream next week. Okay, stay safe, traders. Have a good one. Goodbye, guys.